Well, I'm here in the paint booth with my BatFink figure from the Mr. Gasser kit. I've put them together and I've primed them, as we saw in the last video, with the Vallejo light gray primer. Then over the bodysuit I airbrushed Craftsmart gray acrylic, and then over the rest of them I just finished airbrushing Folk Art Ink Spot blue over his gauntlets and hood and his pants. So I'll just let that dry for a bit and take the tape off. I'm going to do some trim. I have to put a cape on him and a utility belt, paint his feet and his face, and a few more minor details, seal him up, and getting near the end. It should be good to go. And I'll have to paint the ball here for the shifter. Paint the eyes on. The eyes under there. I'll let tape too. So it's starting to take shape. Just wanted to do a quick update here, just to let you know where I'm at with the BatFink and the BatFink Mobile. As you saw in the last video, I had the Speed Racer painted up like the BatFink Mobile, and I've got the decal on the door now. It's pretty much done. And I've got the Mr. Gasser figure done up like the BatFink, just with paint mostly and a few additions. And I just wanted to do a little video update before I mess something up here and something goes wrong. I've got it all painted and detail painted. I just have to put some pouches on the belt there, utility belt. I've got his other hand painted, the steering wheel done. That just has to be attached. And I'm going to put the belt and belt buckle on. I have to make them up and to do a cape for him. It's still a little concerning. I'm not sure quite how I'm going to do the cape. I've got a couple of ideas I'm going to try, but I've got them pretty much detail painted here the way I want, and I'm going to seal them up now with some Mop and Shine, LA Totally Awesome Mop and Shine through the airbrush. Gives it a good dull finish. So it's coming along quite well, a little time consuming, but this is kind of my Adam West BatFink.